Vocal EQing is one of the most important stages of mixing in that it's what helps you shape the tone of your vocal. And if you make mistakes during this process, you might end up with a vocal that sounds too thin or maybe a little bit unprofessional, because you might end up cutting out some of the most important things and boosting what you don't need to boost. And making these mistakes is very common if you're a beginner in music production. In today's video, I want to show you guys a plugin called TheMg by Waves, which analyzes your vocal and gives you a couple of EQ curves that you can choose from instead of manually choosing what to boost, what to cut, and everything like that. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Che. I make music production tutorials on YouTube on mixing and mastering. Consider subscribing, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. This is the song that we'll be working on right now. It's a song that I've already mixed and mastered. It's by an artist called TheMg. I'll leave the link in the description because the song is already out. You can go and listen to how it came out. I've picked the lead vocal right here, and all these are other just beat stems. So I've just soloed the lead vocal on this part, and this lead vocal goes to my group channel, which is this one right here. And what I'll do is just come to the group channel and add a plugin called TheMg. And what you have to do here is click the lane button here, and it will analyze the audio and give us curves to choose from. Then play my audio.
Sexy teen girl, you the one for me, girl. Got your number on speed dial. Come on with me now, and put your body on me, yeah, yeah. The sexy teen girl.
It has given us about 5 curves here, so we've got the suggested here and other alternatives. But first of all, before we try out the curves, I want you to look at something here. So we were in instrument mode. Under instrument mode, this plugin can be used on anything. It could be your guitar, your kick, your bass, anything that you want to do some kind of processing. You can drop it there and just click lane. It will analyze everything. So if I click here, you can see that it identifies that this is a male vocal. And you can see other things here. It will identify if it's choir or what, guitar, bass, drums, and everything else right here. So let's try out the curves.
Sexy teen girl, you the one for me, girl. Got your number on speed dial. Come on with me now, and put your body on me, yeah, yeah. The sexy teen girl, you the one for me, girl. Got your number on speed dial.
I like the first curve right here that it gave me. All these other curves sound okay, but I think I like this one more. However, I feel like it's a little bit sharper than I need the vocal. So you can actually come here and reduce on the amount of boosting that it's doing. You can see the part that it's boosting is this, and the reduction is this part here. So if I reduce a bit on this, it means I'm reducing on the amount of boost happening here. And then also you can set if you want this to be static, so that this is not dynamic, it's not a dynamic EQ, or you just want it a little bit dynamic. So I think at this point it's fine. I want the EQ to be a little dynamic here, but I'm just going to reduce this a bit to kind of get it as smooth as I need.
Sexy teen girl, you the one for me, girl. Got your number on speed dial. Come on with me now, and put your body on me, yeah, yeah.
I think I like it there. So this plugin is automatically cutting what needs to be cut and boosting what needs to be boosted. I don't have to go through the struggle of cutting with my EQ and stuff like that. I'm also not saying this is a replacement for your EQ. You can also add your EQ at some point, but I feel like if you're a beginner and you really need that professional sounding vocal, I think this will help you a lot because it shapes the tone of the vocal if you take a look at that. So let's listen to the before and after.
Sexy teen girl, you the one for me, girl. Got your number on speed dial. Come on with me now. Sexy teen girl, you the one for me, girl. Got your number on speed dial. Come on with me now.
You can see how controlled it sounds now. So I'll add a little bit of delay and reverb. This is the only plugin that I have on the channel right here. I don't have no compression yet. So the vocal already sounds controlled.
Sexy teen, yeah, you the one for me, yeah. Got your number on speed dial.
So you can see how controlled and professional it sounds already. So let me play this with a bit of the drums.
Sexy teen, yeah, you the one for me, yeah. Got your number on speed dial. Come on with me now and put your body on me, body on me.
You can see how the tone changes. When I switch on the plugin, the vocal comes out and cuts through the mix, and all the sweet spots have just been boosted. And this is something that you struggle with an EQ, trying to get where you need to cut, how much of the low you need to raw off and stuff like that. But this plugin analyzes everything and gives you this. And honestly, this could help a lot of beginners in terms of how you EQ. You don't need to worry much about the EQ anymore. So from here, you can put your compressor, your de-esser if you want to, saturation, and do all sorts of things to your vocal, because now you've shaped the tone of your vocal without losing anything important in that vocal. Alright guys, so if you don't have this plugin yet, I'll leave the link in the description. You can click on that and go and try the plugin out. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.